Welcome to our ultimate face-off. On my left, the Audi RS5, and on my right, M3. Let's see how these two German powerhouses compare, and style. But which is best? Audi has just stuffed a horribly heavy plug-in hybrid system into this new RS5 to achieve a combined power output of 639 horsepower. Sounds overwhelming, doesn't it? But Today we compare two incredible machines. First, the elegant Audi RS5, and now the aggressive BMW M3. Let's see which one takes the crown.
The electric motor will help the Audi leap forward right from the start, thanks to instant torque. The electric motor will help the Audi surge forward right from the starting line. This is thanks to instant torque. The electric motor will help the Audi surge forward, right from the starting line thanks to instant torque.
We are neck and neck, and I am not backing down. Let's see what this can really do. There we go, come on! This is going to be close. Come on, push! Come on, push harder! The sheer weight is dragging it back, and the M3 with its lightweight advantage has swallowed up its rival in the final yards. A completely predictable result when physics has the final say. But look at that! The heavyweight is dragging it back, and the M3 with its lighter weight advantage has swallowed up its rival in the final meters. An entirely understandable result when physics speaks. This car is an absolute beast on the track. The handling and power delivery are just unreal. It pushes you hard in every corner. Welcome to our ultimate performance showdown. On this side, the sleek Audi RS5, and meeting its match, the BMW M3. Let's see which one takes the crown. Getting into the back is actually quite easy. Once inside, there's a surprising amount of room. Let's hop into the back of the BMW. I've got about 4 fingers of knee room. The trunk is surprisingly deep and wide. This trunk is very practical. It's quite deep and very practical. Testing the UI responsiveness. Instant feedback. This feels satisfying. Plenty of knee room back here. Truly executive rear space. The boot holds a decent amount, but this flat load bay is a game changer. So, which one of these ultimate driving machines takes the crown? It is an incredibly tough choice, but I might just have to go with the green one. So, which one should you choose? It's honestly too close to call, too close to call. So, which one should you actually buy? Honestly, it is almost impossible to choose. Tell me your favorite in the comments.